In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use ProtonMail. In order to do that, head over to proton.me/mail and click onto this create a free account or get mail for business. I'll head over and choose on creating a free account for this case. Now into this will show up right here, the actual sign up option. You can choose right here the plan that you wish to use. For example, on my case, let me head over and choose in here this free option and just input right here your username. And also change between proton.me or protonmail.com. For example, on my case, let me head over and input this right that. After it, you can input a password that you wish to use. You can see if it's available right here. After that, head over and click onto this start using. Now in here you can see the Mail Plus, you can head over and note things and you can start in here using your Proton Mail. Make sure to answer your CAPTCHA right there. This will create our account for us, so just wait for this to actually be created. This will load your Proton Mail and it should be able to show you in here the Proton account inbox. Here is what it looks like on the dashboard. Here is our actual inbox. You can enable some privacy for online accounts, like you can change email for your finance, social media, as well as shopping options. You can see in here your drafts, your sent, your starred, and as well as other newsletters. If you want to create a message, just click on this new message option. Input right here who you're sending it with, the subject, as well as the actual body and send it right there. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.